What if I told you that in the next decade, the way you use money, everything from how you spend to how you invest, will completely transform? Cash? It might just become a thing of the past. Your bank? Probably an app. Your investments? Managed by AI. You may be wondering, how will we even get there? And what happens to the people who can't keep us? We are on the brink of a massive shift, one that could leave some of us behind. Picture this. As cryptocurrency and AI reshape the global economy, millions of people around the world could be excluded from this new financial revolution. With banks closing branches and physical money disappearing. What about the risk of losing control of our financial privacy? Or being vulnerable to an entirely digital system that can be hacked, manipulated, or controlled by a few big players? The stakes are high, and the transition will be anything but simple. But it's not all doom and gloom. The future of money doesn't have to be exclusive or risky. The solution lies in innovation. Cryptocurrencies promise a decentralized financial system where power is distributed to everyone, not just banks. AI can guide us to smarter financial decisions, personalized to our needs, making investments and savings easier for anyone, regardless of their background. And a cashless society isn't just about digital wallets. It's about creating accessible financial services for the global population. With proper regulation, robust cybersecurity, and continuous education, we can build a system that's both inclusive and secure. So, the question is, will we embrace this future and take control, or will we let it control us? The next few years will define the future of money, an era of cryptocurrency, AI, and a cashless society. The power is in our hands, but it's up to us to prepare for the changes coming our way. What do you think? Will you be ready to embrace this new financial world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you see the future of money unfolding.